It's Sunday evening. Oh my goodness. I ate so much last night. I am stuffed. But the dessert, remember I made the chocolate ice cream bowls? Went over fabulous. Oh my God. You should have seen Finn and Mac. They definitely had to be dumped right in the bath after that. Okay, I have got the filter on, the one that is for fumes. There's a name for it. I forget what it's called. But I'm wondering if it's too loud. So, okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn it off. When I watch the video after, I'll know if it was too loud. If it's too loud, then I'm gonna have to move it further away. If it's not too loud, then I'll keep it on next time. But for now, let's turn this puppy off and see how we go. So tonight, the other night, not last night, whenever, we tested the chrome and the chameleon. And remember I said that they were transparent, and I was right. These ones in particular, they're the only ones I've used so far, are definitely more for dusting your dry paint on your molds and stuff. But it did turn out pretty. I made this, the night that we did this, I made this lotus and I put it on. No, I haven't done the back yet. Still got to do the back, but we did that. And we did, to match, we did the flask. Now I will oil the flask so that the wood shines like the board. And there we go. We used, oh, and I tried the gold, rose gold glass flakes and from Colour Passion, and they are fabulous. I love them. So tonight we are going to do another board, and we are using Michele shimmer and Debbie shimmer. And so all Colour Passion tonight, except for one. We're using Colour Passion soft gold. But we're going to use the deep red that I made up from the Langridge, Artie Sue's Langridge resins. And this is going to be another handle board. But I got these really cute little Christmas handles, because I figured these colors are perfect Christmas colors. So I'm going to use these cute little handles, Christmas handles that I ordered off of Amazon a while back, actually. But it's that time of year, like my friend Janet at Moon Cusher said. It's the time of year we start to prep for Christmas and get all our stuff done. Send it to galleries and whatever. Some of you who do shows, which I don't think there's going to be any in Ontario this year, but that's okay. I am not sure how I feel about doing those anyway. Okay, so let's do some shimmer. Michelle's, mine, the red, and the gold. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the red down first, and then the two shimmers, and then top it off with the gold. So come on down while I mix them. You know, this part's kind of plain Jane. Ooh, that's pretty. That is such a deep red. Deep, deep red. Almost to the burgundy side, which I love. beautiful. We'll do, let's see how Michelle's shimmer looks in resin. Oh my, Michele, it's so pretty. Way to go, ladies. Kim and Jackie. Can you guys see this? It is so beautiful. Okay, now let's try mine. This is Debbie's shimmer. Woohoo! Perfect Christmas colors. And I'm not even a green, but this is beautiful. So thank you, ladies. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that shimmer. That is gorgeous. And last but not least, we'll stir up the gold. These are all Colour Passion colors except for the red. So I'm gonna start with the red, and I'm going to do a squiggle design. Now, I'm going to do the blue. And now we're going to do green. And I think I'm going to try and do like a bit of a swipe. Oh, pretty. That is pretty. Can you see that? I hope so. Let's put some of that color in here. Wow, that is cool. I wonder if I can bring some up and swipe that in. These remind me of something, the way they're doing this with, we've got our cells happening and everything, and I'm not really sure why, but I'm not going to complain because that is fabulous. I want to try to cover the edge. I need the resin to be up here a bit for the knob. Cover the edge. Down. This is another one of the boards from my wood guy. I've got 3 beautiful pieces from my wood girl I want to do. They're pretty big, so I want to see what all I can get done Christmas wise since it's coming up real quick, and then I'll work on them. because I love, love, love the pieces that my Krista, my wood gal, picks out for me. Okay, so now let's bring in the gold. But first, before I do that, I think I see, no, you know what? It's from the red, because you just, it's so hard to get, blend all, some of the languages are really, really chunky. Some more so than others, so, but that's, there we go. Okay, so now, let's bring in this gold, and I think I'm going to go on the outside first. Follow the red. And then maybe put, no, I like that green. Maybe put a little, fill that in. Got a little drip there. I wonder if that, just little drips. Very cool. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the torch and I'm going to separate my gold and get that. See, there we go. Can you see it happening? Can you see the malted look coming up to the top? I don't want to heat it too much because I don't want to lose any more. As a matter of fact, I really don't want to lose any more, so I might put a stick on here so that it stops. There we go. And there is a hair, I thought so. Okay. Whoa. Really beautiful. The blue, the red, the green. Looks fabulous. We got some cells happening from that blue, and that green is kind of cool. And my malted look with my gold. I love that. So what I will do, here's another trick that I do, is I will leave this sit for about a half hour. Then I will come down to give it a shot with the torch again. I don't have to worry about bubbles. But what I would like to do is break this up even more. But if I do it right now, it's going to thin out the resin so much that I will lose it. As it is, I've lost a spot of gold right there and that there. So I'm going to put this one back up in there. Maybe one in there. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like that now. And I will come back down in about a half an hour and give it another shot. Not to thin it out, but to break up even more of the gold. Half an hour, 45 minutes is good. This will have set up a little bit so I don't lose it all. And I can also redo the edge then, because I find when it's tackier, the resin's tackier, it sticks on my edges better. And that's my little tricks of the trade, guys. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to bring you down to show you the color because it is fabulous. These are gorgeous. And again, this is, the red is the deep red by Langridge that I made into a paste. The blue and the green, which are perfect for Christmas, are Michelle's shimmer and Debbie's shimmer. And the gold I used is the soft gold. All Colour Passion, all online at resinpigmentcanada.com. And you know where you can go and check all this stuff out. And it's Christmas coming up faster than we know. This is Thanksgiving weekend here in Canada. And you know when it's Thanksgiving in the United States next month, it's just a matter of weeks. And Christmas is right after that. So Halloween, which is going to be different this year. We're just going to do a party for the kids. Again at Cassie's. Yay! I do Christmas. Christmas is here because it's my thing. But we will do Halloween at her place. We're going to have a party, and the adults, the grandparents and stuff, will just all bring candy and stuff for the kids. Make them up little bags. Not taking chances. I know some people are still going out, and good for you. You have fun. You have at it. Just stay safe. But our family, we're going to just keep it for us this year. Things are different. The older kids are kind of understanding, like Emma, Tristan, and Kai, and River, Finn, and Mac. They're young. They don't care as long as they're getting goodies. Like I said, you should have seen them yesterday. Oh my God. It was, if you have me on Facebook, you'll see the pictures. I'm happy they enjoyed the dessert. It was what I wanted. I wanted them all to love it, but oh my God, what a mess. What a mess. There was chocolate. There was chocolate behind Mac's ears. Finn had it all over his face and his clothes. Mac had it all over his clothes, his face, behind his ears, up his nose. Oh my God, it was funny. And then I got to go home and Cats got stuck with it. So, and now I know I am not doing that when they live here with us. There'll be no major sweets like that. At least not when they're in my care. Because that'll be hell. Anyway, love you guys. Thanks for being here. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.